This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Test Shopify. I will be showing you how to do this. So basically what the user is asking is, let's just go ahead and delete this section so we can go ahead and add a image with text, as this was the question. And here we add this, and we can see that we can set this image, for example here, select image, and then set that, but we cannot set the background. So we are going to have to go in and use some CSS. So go ahead and duplicate this tab and open your shop. Okay, so there we have this this section we just added. Actually, I have to save that, but it's there anyway. And I just want to refresh to make the selector the correct one. There we go. And we're going to right-click somewhere in the page and inspect. This will open the Chrome DevTools. I'm using Chrome, but there's DevTools for, well, there's tools for Firefox, etc. And we're going to use this little tool up here and select the section that we want to target. So I think down here we can see that this is a Shopify section. And let's just go ahead and do a test and add this CSS property background, and let's just say red. So that is what the user ultimately wants, except they don't want a color, they want an image. So now that we know that that's the proper selector, let's go ahead and right click, copy selector, and let's go ahead and open up the theme code. Now I'm just going to duplicate this, and I'm going to go to admin. And right here in admin, the first thing we want to do is upload the background image we want for this section. Right now, if I refresh this, the color will go back to normal because I was only working on the console. So down here in settings, we go to files and we upload a new file. I'm just going to upload a test wallpaper. So once we've uploaded the file, it should appear down here, and we have to copy this URL. So copy, Control-C, and we are going to have to go into the code. So back to online store, and here in actions, I'm using the debut theme, by the way. We're going to go to edit code. Now down here in edit code, I'm just going to go to the assets section, and we're going to go to the theme SCSS liquid. I already have it open here. So theme.scss.liquid. And we're going to scroll to the bottom, to the very, very bottom. And this is where we will use the selector that we copied before. So paste the selector. If you don't remember how to do that, just right click, inspect, use the tool, make sure you're in the section, right click, copy, selector, go back to the code and just paste the code. Now open curly brackets and say background image. So we're using a different property here. Instead of background color, we're using background image, and we're going to use a URL. So now remember the code we copied from the URL. close the quotation marks and parentheses. Close the curly brackets and save. And that should get us done. That ultimately what did is to add a background image to that specific Shopify section. Let's go ahead and go back to the shop and refresh and see if we are successful. And there we go. Obviously, this is only for illustration purposes. This is doesn't look very nice. But as we can see, we now have a custom background image in our Shopify homepage. And that is that. Thank you for watching. Alex here from Ask Questy.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.